Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage email notifications on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, then click on your profile and then click on these three lines and then go to the notifications, and then here we have this email notifications, click on it, and here we have this email notifications. You can turn this on, off, give feedback on Instagram, get notifications you might have missed, get tips and resources about Instagram's tools, learn about new Instagram features. So as you see, you can turn this on or off, whatever you want. Here we have this get updated, get updates and reports on and violations or of our community standards. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.